What the hell?
No, you what the hell? Look, I know you're totally panicked about Spooky, but we're all scared. Because even after we find what we're looking for, we still have to confront the fact that Cuchillos is coming after us.
Monse, I never got to tell him I was sorry. I never got to thank him for everything he has done for me. Did you hear that?
Yeah, it's cool. It's just them. What if it's 19th Street?
What if it's P-22? Who? The mountain lion. This is why we growl.
You said they come after everything you love. What if they're following us?
What if it's a trap? If they wanted to kill us, they would have killed us already, trust me. Sending me to Oscar's grave is worse than killing me. They're torturing me. Dad?
I'm sorry it took so long for me to respond. I wasn't able to reload my phone till now, but I got your messages. Is Oscar back?
I'm on my way to him now.
So you're safe?
I'm good. I gotta call you back.
Okay.
You didn't want to tell him?
I will. Once I know what I'm telling him. Let's keep moving.